Time for another boring video clip. Anyway, so it's February 2026 and I've just done refinishing my floorboards. And it was quite some work. I had to sand them all down and restain them, clear coat them first. And of course, every time I have to let it dry for at least 10 hours or so. And then I sealed it up with a tabletop epoxy. It came out pretty decent. Not perfect, but I think it's good enough. In the end, I'm just going to walk over it anyway. But it's better than it was before. Those are 50-year-old boards like the boat is. And we're just partially delaminating. In the back, I had to actually add some fiberglass mats to basically make it more sturdy. So I finally also got my galley somewhat done, at least to the point that I can use it. All that white paint makes the boat much brighter. Here's my utensil drawer for my silverware. Nothing fancy, just like everything I like on the boat, just functional. So I added this little, it was an old cutting board. So I made a little add-on table that kind of helps when you, I guess, prepare food for whatever other purposes. It was basically just an empty spot, and I thought I use it for something like that. I also added more lights, so that helps. And yeah, the next thing is gonna be I have to keep working on my navigation area. I just added some more controls for my wind generator. The wind generator and the solar panels, they're on two different controllers. And yeah, this whole area still has to get redone. I also finally was able to hook up my my faucet in my bathroom. Very simple, just an electric switch, turns the pump on, and water comes out. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I have on the boat, and it's pretty much the only thing I need. So, well, now it's off to the next project. Thank you for watching.